Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a free gift offer on your Shopify store step by step. So this is a great way to boost sales, increase average order value and make customers feel appreciated. So maybe you want to give a free item when someone buys something specific or offer a free gift after they spend a certain amount. I will show you exactly how to set it up using Shopify's free features and a simple application. So you don't need to know any coding experience. It works with most of the Shopify themes. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned in this video in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for shopify.com. Once you are at Shopify, you need to just provide your login credentials like your email address and your password associated with your Shopify account. Then you need to simply log in into your account. After the successful login, your Shopify admin dashboard will look something like this. Now, in the first method, you can use the Shopify's built-in discount feature. So if you only want to offer one gift per customer, you can set this up without any extra applications. Here is how you can do it. On this page, simply hover over to the left-hand section and click on discounts. In the discounts, you will see the option of create discount option. The create discount option is also in the top right hand corner of the screen, so you can click on any of the options that are given over here. After clicking on create discount, it will show you this type of pop-up in front of you where you need to provide the details about what kind of discount you are providing. It is amount of price, or buy X get Y, amount of order, or free shipping. So you need to select the type of discount that you are providing. Let's say you are providing the first type of discount, that is amount of products. So after clicking on it, you need to fill out this form. So this form requires the discount code. So here you need to click on the generate random code option, and this will be the code which you can provide to your customers. If you click on the automatic discount option, you need to provide further details like the title, discount value in percentage and fixed amount. You need to select the specific collections or the specific products. So we will come here. If you select the discount code option, you need to again select the same things. This is the code that you have generated. In the discount value, you will have two options. The first is the fixed amount and the second one is in percentage. So most of them provide the percentage amount, so you can provide the percentage here. After that, click on the applies to option and select whether this discount applies to all of your collections or to any specific products. If it is specific products, you will have to assign which products you are giving the discounts on. Then we have the minimum purchase requirements. So you can select any of the options among the given these. Eligibility, whether you want to keep it to all the customers or the specific customers, so you need to select that. You need to select maximum discount uses and the combinations. You need to also provide the activation date of this campaign, the start date and the end date. After filling this information, you need to click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it won't save until you select at least these options, so you need to click on the save option in the top right hand corner, and you are done with the discount creation. Next, the option that we have is the automatic discount. So the discount will be applied automatically here. So you need to provide the title and rest of the things will be same. So after filling the details, you need to click on the save option. So this will automatically apply the free gift once the rules are met. But remember that the customer must add the gift products to the cart manually unless you are using any application. So this was our method 1, with the help of which you can provide the free gift to your customers. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply use a Shopify application. This can be the free gift app. So in order to find that, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on this app store option. You can even use the search bar in the top and you need to just search for the apps option, and here you need to just search for the applications like gift box, free gift, motivator, or some of the free apps that I can provide you is this bundler. So this is also the application which you can use. So you need to click on that application and click on the install button here. After clicking on install, you need to click on the install option again, and basically you need to install bundler. Once you are in bundler, you will have to open it, and then you need to create a bundle. You need to choose buy X and get Y. This is similar to the one that we have created in the first method. Then you need to select the main product and the gift product. Select the discount to 100% for the gift items, and you can also add the product in your cart and see if the discount is working or not. As you can see, this is 100% free. So this is how you can easily add a free gift offer to your Shopify store in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and also drop a comment if you would like a tutorial on setting up the upsells or any bundle next. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.